During PM Narendra Modi's first meeting with Vladimir Putin since the Ukraine war, India and Russia have strengthened their long-standing alliance in a resolute display of strategic autonomy, boldly enhancing mutual collaboration and resilience in the face of growing international unpredictability. PM Modi and his Russian counterpart have reaffirmed their unwavering commitment to strengthening bilateral ties across critical industries despite increased geopolitical tensions and international sanctions resulting from Russia's actions in Ukraine. At the core of this strengthened relationship lies a decisive agreement to increase collaborative manufacture of military gear as part of India's ambitious Make in India project. While the audacious move defies Western attempts to isolate Moscow at the global stage, it also strengthens India's defense capabilities, demonstrating its unshakable faith in Russian technology. The joint project is evidence that both countries are determined to forge their own path in an increasingly complicated world where strategic alliances are essential for defending national interests and promoting sustainable development. Despite external sanctions on Russia, India has remained committed to expanding their economic cooperation with Moscow, aiming to increase their bilateral commerce to $100 billion. This demonstrates the country's shared commitment to improving connectivity and forming strategic economic ties beyond Western-dominated routes through initiatives like the Chennai-Vladivostok Sea Line and the North-South International Transport Corridor. The decision to create a bilateral settlement system in their own currencies is a major financial move intended to protect their economies from outside shocks and to assert their independence in financial dealings. Their shared commitment to using cutting-edge technology for mutual advantage is exemplified by their cooperation in the nuclear energy sector, including support for the Kudankulam nuclear power plant. By fostering joint partnerships, both countries challenge Western supremacy in high technology areas and amplify their impact further. Furthermore, India is strengthening its comprehensive engagement with Russia by expanding its diplomatic presence with new consulates in Yekaterinburg and Kazan, strengthening ties that extend beyond Moscow on cultural and commercial fronts. This action highlights India's intention to cultivate a robust alliance with Russia, defending common interests across various regions. Following the successful completion of his Moscow visit, PM Modi is now in Austria, celebrating 75 years of diplomatic relations, emphasizing shared commitments to global security and prosperity. Welcomed warmly by Austrian leaders including Foreign Minister Alexander Schallenberg and Chancellor Karl Nehammer, PM Modi's discussions are poised to bolster economic cooperation and address global challenges like climate change. This visit, the first by an Indian Prime Minister in 41 years, underscores India's commitment to enhancing diplomatic engagement with European nations, reflecting mutual aspirations for strengthened partnership and global welfare advancement.